everything we do has consequences. Not all the time we realize which the consequences of our actions will be. And this is many times because we are not very aware of the intentions we have when we do a certain thing. You see, our subconscious mind doesn't have filters. It cannot change the thing we have in mind. It cannot change the nuances. So when we do something, it is very important to be aware before we act in an anticipative manner which will be the consequences of our actions. Everything we say, everything we do, everything we think has consequences. It means when we do something good, we will have good results. When we do something bad, well, we will have bad results. So we can build up a very simple method of self-censoring, which is actually very healthy. Before we do something, for a short while, instead of just acting, take a few moments of silence. You can even close your eyes and imagine in a creative manner what will be the consequences of this action I am about to do. Not only that, think also, which are my intentions? Do I have selfish intentions, which of course will lead to negative consequences, or my intentions are generous and altruistic? By doing this, even if in the beginning it will seem a little bit awkward, and of course it is unusual maybe for most of you, in time you will notice it will spare you a lot of suffering. So pay attention. What are the consequences of our actions? What are our intentions? In this manner, by assessing a little bit the results of our actions, intentions and thoughts, then we can realize maybe before we did something, this will not lead to something good. It's better if I refrain from doing it. Or, wow, this action will lead to such good results. I'm so enthusiastic about doing it. Test it, you will see it works like a charm.